Today, I want to talk about what is probably the best value for money action cam accessory ever. Roll the intro. So, what is this amazing value for money action cam accessory that you can't do without? This is it. The DJI Osmo chin mount clip. Bit of a mouthful, fantastic accessory. There we go. A clip which will enable you to attach your action cam to your helmet with no permanent mountings on your helmet, no gluing, no sticky pads. You have the ability to move it from one helmet to another in seconds. In the box, you get the clip itself. You get some sticky rubber pads for protecting your helmet, and you get a wrist strap. But this is what we want to talk about. It's made from ABS plastic. It has a very strong spring. Now, if you can see on the inside is rubber coated with little teeth to give a non-slip surface to attach to your helmet. I've seen on another couple of videos where people have glued a magnet to this side in order for them to put their wireless microphone attachment, so that when this clip is in the helmet, the microphone is right in front of their mouths, ready for doing their vlogging. Let's put it on a helmet and see how it looks. Here is the clip with the camera attached using the normal action cam mounting system. And that's how quickly it goes onto your helmet. Completely sturdy. It's not going to fall off. You can adjust the angle of your camera, obviously, but you've now got a vlogging system which, when you're finished with, can come off. No permanent attachments to your helmet. On, off. In the interests of fairness, I must point out that some helmets with an extensive chin curtain might cause a problem. But I have a solution for that. Now we're using the clip facing downwards. We've now got a chest cam. Still do your vlogging. Now it's not on your helmet. Now it's on your jacket. But there's more. Here I've clipped the camera directly to the mirror facing forwards to get a normal road shot, but I could also have the camera facing backwards to show myself. In this next shot, I've got it onto the number plate facing backwards, which is useful if you want to video your fellow riders. I've tried it also on the passenger foot pegs for a nice down low street level view. And if you have room, you could put it directly onto the front mudguard. As you can see, I don't have enough space between my tyre and mudguard, but your bike may be different. So lots of different options. This helmet camera clip is not just for riding motorbikes. What if you want to use it on your car? Here I've mounted the clip onto the internal sun visor with the camera pointing through the windscreen. So you can get driving shots. You can either put it on the driver's side or the passenger side as you wish. Here I've mounted the camera directly onto the bonnet or hood of the car facing forwards. This obviously depends on the design of your car. This will allow you to get footage without having to shoot through a dirty or wet windscreen, which may be preferable in some instances. Here I've mounted the camera on the driver's window facing sideways, giving a whole new meaning to the phrase drive-by shooting. Here I've mounted the camera attached to the headrest on the rear seat. So now you can get the point of view of a rear seat passenger. So you can see the back of the driver now. Just gives you a different angle. This time the camera is mounted on the passenger window, but with the camera facing into the car. So this now gives us a side view of the driver. Again, it's just an alternative angle, and the more options we have, the better videos we make. For this option, I've just mounted the clip to my sat-nav holder. Just took the sat-nav off, attached the clip to the holder for the sat-nav, and now the camera is facing the driver. Again, just gives you a different angle to play with. This chin clip is not just restricted to use on vehicles. If you're going out for a walk in the woods, clip it to some suitable tree or fence. Do your walk by, do your piece to camera. You haven't got a selfie stick? No problem. Have a look on the floor, find a suitable stick, attach the clip to the end, voila, you've got an impromptu selfie stick. You can even clip it onto your belt while you're walking around. Leaves your hands free, no need to stuff it in your pocket. It's even useful in the home. Attach it to a suitable bookshelf if you don't have a tripod. As it is, it makes a fantastic table stand. And what the hell? Attach it to the end of the bed if you feel like it. I'm not going to judge you. So this has been the DJI Osmo helmet chin clip. I'm new to the world of DJI, but I will be reviewing more of their stuff, such as filters, microphones, so stay tuned for other videos. If you like what you've seen, you know where to click somewhere, like, subscribe, you know what to do. See you in the next one.